Have you ever checked your bank account and thought, wait, where did my money go? You didn't buy anything big, you didn't travel, you didn't do anything crazy, and yet your balance is almost gone. If that sounds familiar, you're not bad with money, you're just human. Today, let's talk about something most people never learn in school: why money disappears quietly and how to take control without feeling miserable. This is not about becoming rich overnight. This is about stopping money from leaking out of your life. Let's start with the truth. Most financial problems don't come from big mistakes. They come from small, daily habits we barely notice. Coffee here, food delivery there, a few subscriptions you forgot about, a quick ride instead of walking. Individually, they feel harmless. Together, they slowly drain your wallet. At the end of the month, the problem isn't your salary. It's the silence of small spending. You work hard, you show up every day, but somehow the money doesn't move forward with you. It feels like running on a treadmill. More effort, same place. And here's where it gets tricky. Modern life is designed to make spending easy and painless. One click, one tap, one swipe. No cash, no friction, no time to think. Late at night when you're tired, your phone offers comfort. Buy now. Free trial. Cancel anytime. Except you forget to cancel. Subscriptions are quiet. They don't feel expensive, but they stack. Streaming, music, apps, cloud storage, delivery memberships. Each one is small. Together, they become a monthly bill you never planned for. Then comes emotional spending. You're stressed, you're bored, you had a long week. Buying something feels good for a moment. That moment fades. The receipt stays. This cycle repeats. Spend, regret, stress, repeat. And stress is expensive. At some point, you reach for the credit card, not because you want to, but because it feels easier than saying no. Interest grows quietly in the background. Bills come faster, deadlines stack, and suddenly, money becomes a source of anxiety instead of freedom. But here's the good news. Control doesn't start with earning more. It starts with awareness. The moment you slow down and look at your spending, you take back power. Not judgment, not guilt, just clarity. Write things down. Track where your money actually goes, not where you think it goes. This alone changes behavior. Next, simplify. Ask yourself, does this subscription still add value? Do I use this every month? Would I miss it if it disappeared? Turn off what you don't need, one by one. Relief comes faster than you expect. Then, create space for saving, not big amounts, small, consistent ones. Saving isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Even a small coin in a jar matters because it builds a habit, and habits shape your future more than motivation ever will. When money starts growing, slowly, something changes. You stop reacting. You start choosing. You pause before buying. You notice temptation, and sometimes you let it pass. That's real progress. Balance doesn't mean never having fun. It means enjoying life without panic later. It means choosing fun on purpose and saving on purpose, not accidentally losing money every month. Over time, the noise fades. Fewer warnings, fewer surprises, more calm. You check your balance without fear. You rest without stress. You plan instead of worry. And maybe, one day, you help someone else understand money better too. Because financial control isn't about numbers, it's about peace. Not perfection, not pressure, just control. And the best part? You don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to notice where your money is going. That's where control begins.